Mutongoria wa bururi Daktari William Ruto ni atunganite na aigithia a kambuni itiganite bururi-ini wa United States of America. Itemiini ria kwaraniria na kuigwithania uria mangiithia bururi-ini wa Kenya. Akiaria na Ruto ni augite ati ni makoretwo makiaria oro wigie wa imwe cia ihingica iria ikoretwo ho ikihuthira ikirituhira aigithia kuuma mabururi mangi. Oho ni akoretwo akiuga ati gitaru kia Africa ya ithuiro kiri na uhoti munene wa wonjoria.
How are you? The most consequential breakthrough in technological innovation will take place in the East African savannah when global tech leadership, together with foreign direct investment, converge upon Africa's youthful human capital, natural resources, and green energy potential. To actualize the intention of developing a business-friendly environment, the following commitments are now very high strategic priorities. First, for the sake of stability, we have a tax code that is simple to enforce, consistent, fair, and predictable, that lasts at least 3 years. I am very clear in my mind that this is the moment we are having a conversation about. I am not alone in this conviction. The first movers are already on site, and they pitched tent long time ago in Kenya. Kenya is the cradle of humankind, is the home of humankind. That is where we all came from. Those of you who are in America, those of you in Asia and the rest of the world, we all came from somewhere in Kenya. And therefore, don't be surprised when you feel at home in Kenya, because it truly is home. And therefore, I want to urge you, it is said, east and west, including north and south, home is best. Come invest at home.
Less than a year ago, Visa made a commitment to invest $1 billion in Africa over the next 5 years, and a large portion of that's going to be in Kenya.
Na tukithie na mbere turuge